Good day, everyone. Today, I will teach you how to insert or add a sound into SWiSH Max. A sound is a simple object created when a sound is imported. First off, click on the Insert button. You will see Scene, Button, Movie Clip, External Media, Import Sound, Import Video, Import Image, Import Animation, Import Vector, and Import Text. Select the import sound. Then select the folder where your soundtrack is located. Select the sound or file that you want to insert. Click Open. The supported file formats are WAV files or .wav, MP3 files or .mp3, Windows Media Audio or .wma, other audio files such as .au, .aif, .aiff, and .snd. Take note that SWiSH Max supports direct show, so if a filter or codec is installed for a particular audio file, SWiSH Max will be able to import that file type. As a general check, if Microsoft Windows Media Player can play the file, SWiSH Max will be able to import it. When the sound has been imported, SWiSH Max adds the sound as a soundtrack. MP3 sounds are imported without SWiSH Max processing it, so external programs can be used for optimum compression or quality. You will see here that a sound object is only visible in the outline or timeline panels and does not have a visible presence on the stage. The Sound Object Properties panel shows the properties for the selected sound object. You can also modify the sound in here. Now, let's go to the soundtrack import or export options. The soundtrack option of the export settings dialog box allows you to control generation of the control of sound of the imported soundtrack or soundtracks. If done modifying, click OK. The name of the track is also shown in the outline panel. The name is based on the file name. If the object is set as a target, the name is the script reference. That's all for today. Hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.